Today, we have our reading comprehension. Now, before we do that, let's check our homework. So our homework was all about expanding sentences. So the first person I want to congratulate is Ocean. Well done, Ocean. Yours was a good example of a homework. Let's have a look at what Ocean wrote. Who? My friend. My friend is with his mom. My friend is with his mom playing games. My friend is with his mom playing games in the park. And why? My friend is with his mom playing games in the park because mom wants exercise. So again, this is a really good example. You have stretched the sentence by including many more details, including who, what, where, and why. So well done, Ocean. Really good job. Okay, next is Sao. Well done, Sao. A really good example of another homework. So let's have a look at what Sao wrote. My pet cat. My pet cat is eating. My pet cat is eating at my house. My pet cat is eating at my house with my family and me. My pet cat is eating at my house with my family and me because my pet cat is hungry. Amazing work. Well done, Sao. You again have expanded your sentences by adding more details about what your cat is doing, where it's doing it, whom it's doing it with, and why it's doing it. So well done, Sao. Perfect. Okay. And our final example of homework today is Michael. Well done, Michael. Very good work. Let's have a look at your homework. Okay, so what did Michael write? So Michael wrote, my friend. My friend is with me. My friend is with me playing soccer. My friend is with me playing soccer on our school field. My friend is with me playing soccer because we wanted to get exercise on the field. Perfect work. You actually rearranged some of your sentences here as well. So well done, Michael. Again, you've expanded your sentences by adding more details telling whom you were with, what you were doing, and why you were doing it, as also where you were doing it. So well done, Michael. Very good. I want to say congratulations to everyone who uploaded their homework. Let me just get the names up. So from class 2E9, it was Hacker, Kiwi, Lekang, Leo, Ming Huang, Ocean, Quang Hai, Kui Kang, Sao, and Tui Chi. Very good. And from 2E10, we have Bo, Zuiming, Kaki, Kitty, Michael, Nuna, and Simon. Well done for uploading your homework and doing it well. Now, there were a few homeworks where someone just wrote some writing about what they like. For example, I like my pet cat. So what I wanted you to do was to fill in this worksheet and expand the sentences. Okay, so I wanted you to tell me who your cat was with, what it was doing, where it was, and why it was doing what it was doing. But all in all, most homeworks were really good. So well done, guys. Now, let's get started. So today we have our reading comprehension. Now, our reading comprehension is all about simple machines. Can anyone tell me what a machine is? Michael, please can you tell me?
A simple tool that makes our life better.
Perfect. What a great answer. Okay, that is a great answer, Michael. Well done. A simple machine is a simple tool that makes our lives much easier. Let's have a look. So for the next 2 days, we're going to be learning about 6 types of simple machines during the courses of our reading comprehensions. So here we have 6 simple machines that we use every day in our life. Number 1 is called a lever. Okay, so can everyone say lever?
Lever.
Very good. Well done. Very good. A lever is what we use, and we can put a force on it here to make this side go down, and this side will go up. If we put a force on it here, this side will go down, and this side will go up. Okay, number two. Number two. Any idea what number two is called? Ruby.
A bully.
Good girl. Well done, Ruby. So, Nancy, I know you can't see the screen, but number two is a pulley. It works similar to a wheel and a piece of rope. Many people can use this on a construction site. Maybe if the builders are trying to get bricks or other materials up very high, they will put something in a basket and pull the rope. When they pull the rope, the force on the other side will go up where it needs to go. Well done, Ruby. Good girl. Does anyone have any idea what this is called? Simon.
A piston.
Ooh, not quite, but very good guess. Very good guess. Michael?
It is an axe.
You are right. So it is an axe. This picture is showing an axe, but this type of simple machine is called a wedge. So you are right, Michael. This particular machine is called an axe, but something like this we can label as a wedge. And we would use things like wedges to help us cut things, very big things like wood. Perfect work, Michael. Okay, what is the next one? What is this? Quang Hai.
Nails.
Good, you are right. It is a nail. Another word for a nail is a screw, but nail is also correct. So it's a nail or a screw. And Quang Hai, what do we use this for? Can you think of something?
This for when something we need to make. We put in something, and we take a hammer and we put it in something. Then it will very hard. This is harder than stick. This is harder than glue.
Very
It's
good.
thicker than glue.
Very good. We use a screw or nails to put things together and it sticks together better than glue. Good job. Okay, next. What do we think this is? We see a lot of these every day on bikes, on cars, on wheelbarrows. Nuna.
A wheel.
Good girl. Well done, Nuna. Lovely. It's a wheel and axle. So the axle is this bar going across it. So we use wheels every day in our lives. Okay, the next, this one's very difficult. An inclined plane. So that's a really difficult one. So anything like this is called an inclined plane. But commonly, if you see something that looks just like this, we can call it a ramp. We can call it a ramp. I'm sure that you see these going in and out of apartments sometimes. If they have big deliveries, the delivery men will put this beside the stairs so they can easily put the deliveries in and out of the apartments. Okay, so that's what we have. We have a wheel and axle that we would use in a bike. We have a lever, which is used as a hammer, screws, pulleys, inclined planes, and wedges. So we use all of these things in our day-to-day lives to help us as humans do things much more easily. Okay, so let's have a look at some vocabulary. We've got a reading comprehension today, and I want to talk about the vocabulary. What are these? Everyone shout it out. What are these?
Wheels. Wheels.
Very good. Wheels.
Wheels.
Amazing. Good job. We have wheels. Everyone has seen wheels before. We have wheels on our motorbike, on our bicycles, and our cars. Okay, what is this? I want everyone to shout it out on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Well done. It's a skateboard. So yeah, skateboards are very fun. Okay, next. What is this part of the body? What is this part of the body? This is an arm, and we're pointing to a specific place. Kaki, can you tell me?
That is an elbow.
Very good. That is an elbow. Good girl. Well done. It's an elbow.
Elbow.
Very good. Yeah, you can show me your elbow right here. Everyone can show me on the camera. Point to your elbow. Show me your elbow. Right here. Okay, very good. Well done, Simon. Okay, what is this part of your body called? So this is your leg, but what is this part of the body called? Right here. Okay, Lam, go ahead.
Knee.
Very good. Well done, Lam. It's the knee. Okay, good job. So we have wheels, skateboard, elbow, and knee. Now, let's have a look at some of our other vocabulary words before we start reading. Okay, have a look. Oh dear, we've got a baby giraffe, and this baby giraffe is struggling to stand up right now because it's just been born, so it's not sure how to use its legs. We could say, this giraffe is wobbly. Okay, can everyone say the word wobbly? 1, 2, 3. Wobbly. Very good. Okay, the word wobbly means shaky or unsteady. So I can make a sentence with this word saying, the baby giraffe was very wobbly when it was first born. Now, who can give me an example sentence using the word wobbly? Now, Chi, can you give me an example sentence using the word wobbly?
The baby giraffe is wobbly when they are walking.
Very good. Well done. The baby giraffe is wobbly when it is walking. Good girl, Chi. Perfect. Who else? Who can give me one more sentence? Dami, can you give me a sentence using the word wobbly? Oh. The next word is opposite. Can everyone say opposite? 1, 2, 3. Opposite. Very good. Well done. Opposite. Opposite means on the other side or completely different. On the other side or completely different. The word that we're learning today, opposite, the meaning is on the other side. So these two frogs are opposite each other on the seesaw. Who else can give me a sentence using the word opposite? For example, I live opposite the pet store. Teddy.
My uncle lives the opposite way around the school.
Very good. My uncle lives opposite the school. Good girl. Well done, Teddy. And Bo, let's have your sentence, please.
My house is not opposite from my house.
Good. Dami's house is not opposite from my house. Very good. Perfect. Well done, Bo. Okay, great. Can everyone say opposite on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. What is very good. Well done. Perfect work. Okay, the next word is agreement. Can everyone say agreement? 1, 2, 3. Agreement. Very good. Well done. Amazing. Agreement means thinking the same way. If two people are in agreement, it means they think the same thing. Usually, when people are in agreement, they shake hands. My example sentence is, when Bill and Joe were in agreement of their plans, they shook their hands. Now, who else can give me an example sentence using the word agreement? Simon, can you tell me your sentence?
Some people agree together so that they would do it to solve the problems.
Very good. Some people get in agreement so that they can solve their problems. That's a great sentence. Well done, Simon. Let's have Sao.
My dad and me agreement to go to the new house.
Very good. My dad and I are in agreement to move to a new house. Lovely. Well done, Sao. Next. Whoa! Poor little panda bear is tumbling down. Our example, our vocabulary word is tumbled, and tumbled means that you fell in a clumsy way. So if someone falls over, if they tumble down, they kind of spin down and fall in a clumsy way. So my example sentence is, the panda tumbled down the hill. Who can think of an example sentence using the word tumble? Leo, can you give me an example sentence?
Ocean tumble in a grass outfield.
Very good. Ocean tumbled down the grass in the field. Perfect. Well done. Poor Ocean. Okay, Ba, can you give me an example sentence?
Dami tumble down the mountain.
Whoa, down the mountain. Oh dear, I hope Dami's okay. But very good. Well done. One more from Kwanghai.
I tumbled from the hill to the bottom of the ground.
Very good. I tumbled from the top of the hill to the bottom of the ground. Well done. Perfect sentence. Okay, guys, have a look at this. Our next word is useless. Useless. Can everyone say useless? 1, 2, 3. Useless.
Useless.
Very good. Useless. If something is useless, it's of no use. It's broken. Okay? If something is useless, it doesn't have any use to you anymore. It is broken. For example, look at this video. Here we have a monkey, and he's using a useless laptop, and he's getting very angry because it's broken. So my example sentence would be, Max the monkey was so angry because of his useless laptop. Who else can give me an example sentence using the word teddy?
I have a useless phone at my house.
Very good. I have a useless phone at my house. It does not work. It cannot ring anyone. Perfect. Well done, Teddy. Let's go for, Jenny. Jenny, can you give me a sentence?
My house has a useless computer.
Very good. My house has a useless computer. So if something is useless, it's broken. You cannot use it. One more. Let's go for Lekang.
My house have a useless TV.
Very good. My house has a useless TV. Good girl. Well done, Lekang. So you got a broken TV. Okay, one more. Zui Ming.
I have a useless computer.
I have a useless computer. There's no good in having a useless computer. Otherwise, we'll just get angry like this poor little monkey. Okay. Last word is limped. So here we have an ed word. This ed ending is t. Can everyone say limped? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Well done. Limped. Now, the word limped means walked in a funny way because it hurts. So here we have a video of a man who looks like he's been hurt. I'm not sure why, but if you look closely at how he's walking in a strange way. His legs aren't working as if they should. So he's got a bit of a hop in his walk. So if you limp, it's because that you're hurt. Now, my example sentence is, John limped home after falling off his bike. John limped home after falling off his bike. Coconut Dami.
Bob limped down the street because he was fall down the mountain.
Ba limped down the street because he fell down the mountain. I thought you fell down the mountain, Dami, not Ba.
Bob fell too.
Okay, very good. Well done. Ba limped home because he fell down the mountain. Perfect. Let's go for Kaki.
Johnny and Bob always limped down the mountain and cannot walk.
And cannot walk. Very good. Dami and Ba have had quite an adventure, haven't they? Okay, guys, well done. Very good. Now, let's begin reading. So, today our story is called Jack's Wheels. Now, I would like someone to read from Jack all the way to Hey Dad. Jack all the way to Hey Dad. Who would like to read? Cherry, can you read for me, please?
Jack rode into the driveway. He
On his
He drove on his skateboard. As Dad is getting home from work,
getting
was
home from work.
getting home from work, Dad
Stepped
out of the car and Jake
greeted him.
Jack greeted him.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Dad.
Very good. Thank you, Cherry. Lovely. Next, can I have a boy? Can I have Michael? Can you read from Hi, son to Let me look at the wheels?
Hi, son. Your skateboard is wobbly. You shouldn't be riding it. Let me look at the wheels.
Very good. Lovely, Michael. Let's have a girl. Let's have Hannah and Emma. Can you read from Not Now, Dad to See You Later?
Not now, Dad, answered Jack. I'm going to Andrew's house. He has a new video game. See you later.
Very good. Lovely reading. Thank you. Okay, now I want a boy. Buh, can you read from He has a new video game to Sidewalk?
He has a new video game. See you later. He wrote on the wobbly skateboard.
Jack
And Andrew Sam
lived
lived at opposite ends of the block, but on his skateboard, Jack could quickly go down the sidewalk.
Very good. Thank you, Buh. Okay, and Cindy, can you read the last Be Home?
Home by 6. Shouted Dad after Jack. And Jack waved in agreement.
Waved in agreement. Very good. Be home by 6, shouted Dad after Jack, and Jack waved in agreement. So Jack is waving to say, yep, no problem, Dad. I'll be home by 6. Okay, next. Who can read from the to home? Who hasn't read yet? Let's go for Sal.
The boys played video games for a while. Then, and when Jack looked at the clock, it was
5:55.
5:55. He could
He would?
he would have just enough time to skate home.
Lovely. That's okay from there. Thank you, Sal. Perfect. Who can read from I need to go to ouch? Kitty.
I need to go, said Jack, heading for the door. Okay, see you later, answered Andrew. Jack hopped onto his skateboard and started rolling down the street. Suddenly, wobble, wobble, bump, Jack troubled to the ground. Ouch!
Very lovely. Good reading, Kitty. Okay, who can read from his knee to cracked? Okay, Nancy, go ahead. His knee.
His knee and elbow were banged up pretty badly, so was his skateboard. The wheel has cracked.
Very
With
good.
one knee and useless skateboard, Jack limped all the way home.
Lovely, thank you. Uh-oh, so Jack has fallen off his broken skateboard and has to limp all the way home. Okay, who can read the rest from Jack to you? Okay, Lakan, go ahead. Jack.
Jack finally got home at 6:15 by this time. His knee was really hurting. To make things
Worse.
his dad was frowning at the broken wheel. Jack knew that was coming. I know, said Jack. I should have listened to you.
Lovely. Thank you for reading, Lakan. So Jack finally gets home at 6:15, even though he said to his dad he'd be home at 6. By this time, his knee is really sore. He's cut it open. And when he gets home, his dad is frowning. So if his dad is frowning, he doesn't look happy. He's doing this, a sad face. Mm-mm-mm. And Jack comes in, he says, I know, I should have listened to you. Because his dad tried to fix his skateboard before he went, but he was too excited that he wanted to go. Okay, let's have a look at some questions. Have a look. Okay, Jack's dad travels in a car, and Jack travels on his skateboard. How are the car and the skateboard similar? Ruby.
They both have wheels.
Good girl. They both have wheels. Lovely work. Anything else? Well, they both have wheels and they both help people move. So well done, Ruby. They both have wheels and they both help people move at a faster pace. We can use our legs to walk, but obviously if we have a skateboard or a scooter or a motorbike or a car, we can get places a lot faster. Okay, the second question is, how does Jack get to Andrew's house? How does Jack get to his friend Andrew's house? Leo.
Jack uses his skateboard to skate.
Very good. Jack uses his skateboard to skate to
Andrew's house.
Very good. Well done, Leo. He goes on his skateboard to Andrew's house. Perfect work, Leo. Okay, number 3. Why does Dad want to look at Jack's skateboard? Dad wants to have a look at Jack's skateboard. Why? Nancy, go ahead.
Yeah, he says the skateboard's a bit wobbly. Yeah, inside the story it says, Dad says the skateboard is still wobbly. Let me have a look at it, because he said that because he wants to look before he goes, or not he may fall and hurt himself.
Exactly. Good girl. Perfect answer, Nancy. Okay, so Dad can see that the skateboard is wobbly and that one of the wheels isn't working. So he wants to look at it to try and fix it. So it's wobbly, and Dad knows that he needs to fix the wheels. Good answer, Nancy. Okay, next. Does Jack listen to his dad when he offers to take a look at Jack's skateboard? Okay. Lam.
No.
No, he does not listen to his dad. He does not listen. Very good. Why not? Lam, can you answer the question? Why does he not listen to his dad? Can you remember?
I'm saying he wants to try it now.
Yes, very good. Well done, Lam. He wants to go to his friend's house. He says Andrew has a new video game, so he's very excited to go to his friend's house and wants to go in a hurry. So well done, Lam. He wants to go to his friend's house first. Okay, what time must Jack be home? What time must Jack be home at? Kitty.
Clock.
Good girl. 6 p.m. Lovely. Well done. Okay, what time does he leave Andrew's house at? Okay, Zui Ming, very fast.
5:50.
Close. 5:55. So he leaves at 5:55. Okay, well done, Zui Ming. He leaves at the house at 5:55. Okay, if Jack left at 5:55 and he needs to be home by 6, how much time is he giving himself to get home? How much time is he allowing himself to get home with? Simon.
5 minutes.
Good. 5 minutes. He's only giving himself 5 minutes. Well done, Simon. How long does it actually take Jack to get home? Michael.
20 minutes.
It's 20 minutes. Good job. Well done, Michael. It takes him 20 minutes because he gets home at 6:15. Well done, Michael. Okay. Why does it take him so long? Why does it take him so long to get home? Why does it take him so long to get home? Quang Hai.
Because the scooter is broken and his leg is very sore.
Very good. Well done. So not scooter, but a skateboard. Well done, Quang Hai. So Jack walked home because he couldn't use his skateboard. His skateboard would have made him travel a lot faster. Okay, if Dad had fixed the skateboard, do you think Jack would have gotten home on time? Everybody, shout it out. Yes, very good. Well done. If he had his skateboard, he would have gotten home very, very quickly. Why? Why? Swimming.
Because the skateboard has wheels to go faster.
Very good. Well done, Zui Ming. The skateboard has wheels to go faster. Okay. Oh, very good. Well done, Zui Ming. The skateboard has wheels to go faster. Okay. Is this selection fiction or nonfiction, and how do you know? Is it a true story? Kaki.
It is fiction.
Good girl. How do you know it's fiction?
Because if can tell in real life, if that can fix our skateboard and we go to a friend house and we can hurt.
We can get hurt. Yeah. So it's telling us a lesson, isn't it? It's telling us a lesson in this story. Good girl, Kaki. So it is fiction. The selection tells a story. It has a main character and it gives the reader a message. The message is that even if we're excited to go somewhere or do something, we should listen to our parents because our parents want what's best for us and they want to protect us. Okay, guys, we have two more exercises to do, then I will give you your homework. Okay, so this is all about using the new words that we have learned from the story in other sentences. Number one, the clothes around in the dryer. So a dryer is a machine that we have in everyday life now. And when our clothes get washed, if you have a dryer, your mom or your dad will put them in this machine and they go round in a circle and they dry in the heat. What do we think the word that would go here would be? The clothes agreement around in the dryer, limped around in the dryer, opposite around in the dryer, tumbled around in the dryer, useless around in the dryer, or wobbly around in the dryer. Tweechy.
The clothes tumble around in the dryer.
Perfect. Good girl. Well done, Tweechy. The clothes tumble around, so they fall in circles. They spin around and round in the dryer. Good girl. Okay, number two. The pen was without ink. What do we think? Can we write with a pen with no ink? No. Can we draw with a pen with no ink? No. What does that make the pen? Buh.
The pen was useless when without ink.
Perfect. Well done, Buh. The pen was useless without ink. Lovely. Number three. The baby deer was still on its feet. Nuna. One more time.
Wobbly.
Wobbly. Good girl. Well done. The baby deer was still wobbly on its feet, so it's not quite understood how to walk yet. Number four. When I hurt my ankle, I for 3 days. Jenny, can you answer this one?
When I hurt my ankle, I limped for 3 days.
Lovely. Well done, Jenny. When I hurt my ankle, I limped for 3 days. Number five. Antonyms are words that mean the. You can remember we learned about antonyms a long time ago. We learned about synonyms. Synonyms are words that mean the same or a similar thing. Antonyms are words that mean the. Nancy?
Opposite.
Good girl. Well done, Nancy. The opposite. So antonyms are words that mean the opposite. For example, hot, cold, happy, sad, up, down. Number six, they were in so they shook hands. Let's go for Kang.
Agreement.
Lovely. Well done. They were in agreement, so they shook hands. Okay, last questions, and then I'm going to give you your homework. Why is Jack's skateboard wobbly? It is missing one wheel, something is wrong with the wheel, or Jack banged the board on the ground. Why is it wobbly? A, B, or C? Do you know what, actually? I'm going to unmute everyone and I want you all to shout out the answer. Don't say A, B, or C. Shout out the sentence. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Something is wrong with the wheel.
Something is wrong with the wheel. Really good, guys. Well done. Number two, which word best tells how Jack's skateboard moves? Walk, roll, or ride? I'm going to do the same thing. So shout out your answer. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I heard some different answers. Okay, so I heard roll and I heard ride. The answer is roll. So at the beginning of the story, it said that Jack rolled onto the sidewalk with his skateboard. But ride is actually I don't think ride would be wrong, but the word that they're looking for is roll, okay? Because on your wheels, you're rolling around. Really good job, guys. Okay, why does Jack get hurt? Why does Jack get hurt? Jack was going too fast, Dad did not fix the wheel, or Jack was doing a big jump. Everyone shout out on the count of three. 1, 2, 3.
Not fix the wheel.
Amazing. Well done. Dad did not fix the wheel. Very good. The wheel was broken and Dad did not get a chance to fix it. Okay, number 4. How do you think Dad feels when he sees Jack at 6:15? He is worried about Jack, he is happy to see Jack, or he is busy with something else. So Jack shows up late with blood all over his knee. How do you think his dad feels to see him? Everyone shout it out. 1, 2, 3.
He's worried about Jack.
Very good. Well done. He is worried about Jack. Jack shows up late and he has blood on his knee, so his dad is very worried about him. Okay, what do you think will happen next? The last thing that was said in the story was Jack said, "I know, I should have listened to you." What do you think will happen next? Okay, ooh, Michael, you were the fastest, so go ahead, Michael.
Jack's dad will scold him.
Yeah, good. Jack's dad might scold him, so he might tell him off. Good. What else might happen? Perfect answer. What else might happen? Kaki?
Dad will feel better when he says sorry to his dad.
Good. So his dad will scold him. He wants him to say sorry. Dami, what else? What do you think?
Dad will bring him to the hospital.
Oh, maybe if he needs to go to hospital because his injuries are that bad. Perfect. That could happen. Swimming.
Dad will fix the skateboard.
Very good. Well done, Zui Ming. So all of your answers are correct. They're all feasible reasons of what could happen next. But the example reason was Dad will fix Jack's skateboard. Well done, guys. Amazing work. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you your homework. Okay, so your homework is all about this story. Think about what happened to Jack and how he changes from the beginning of the story to the end. Write about it. Include details from the story. How Jack felt at the beginning and why. How did Jack feel at the beginning of the story? Is he sad? Is he excited? Is he happy? Why is he sad? Why is he excited? Why is he happy? You tell me. Jack felt blah, blah, blah at the beginning because, can you tell me here? Then, second, what happened to Jack and how he felt when it happened. So, in the middle of the story, what happens to Jack? Does he lose his skateboard? Does he lose the video game? What happens and how do you think he felt when that happened? And then finally, what happened after Jack got home? How does he feel and what does his dad say to him? What happens at the end? So you think about what happened to Jack and how he changes from the beginning of the story to the end of the story. So as always, I will email this to your parents, the PowerPoint and this worksheet. If you don't have a printer or any means to print it out, that's okay. You can just write it out on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, and upload it to Google Drive. Okay, guys, we are all out of time today, so I'm going to stop sharing, and I'm going to say goodbye to you all. Goodbye.